MacBook Pro and MacBook Air deals, best offers and how to save over £300 on Apple laptops. Apple's MacBook Pro and MacBook Air laptops are seeing some big reductions, and here's all the best deals and offers available right now. If your aging MacBook is desperate need of being replaced, now is a good time to upgrade. Apple recently announced a big refresh to its MacBook Pro range, with these latest laptops offering more power, an improved keyboard and True Tone display. Express.co.uk recently reviewed the all-new MacBook Pro, saying, "We're huge fans of the MacBook Pro and there's a number of reasons why this is still our laptop of choice. This portable powerhouse not only looks stunning but now offers desktop specs and performance when you are away from your desk. The new screen and improved keyboard add to the appeal, but it's the sheer usability that continues to make this one of the best laptops on the planet. Although the new Pros are, without doubt, the best laptops Apple has ever made, their older laptops are still excellent machines, and many have now been dropped in price. In fact, you can now pick up last year's 2017 MacBook Pro with a discount of £300. There's also offers on the MacBook Air and the ability to get £250 cash back when you trade in your old laptop. So, if you are looking for a new MacBook Pro or MacBook Air, here are some of the biggest and best deals available on the high street. John Lewis MacBook deals. MacBook Pro 15-inch 2017, now £1,999, saving £350. MacBook Pro 13-inch 2017, now £1,699, saving £100. MacBook Pro 15-inch 2017, now £2,199, saving £300. MacBook Pro 13-inch 2017, now £1,499, saving £150. MacBook Air, now £798, lowest price. It's also worth noting that John Lewis is offering 0% finance on its MacBook range, which means you can spread the cost of 12 months. Cutty's MacBook deals. MacBook Pro 13-inch 2017, now £1,399, saving £350. MacBook Pro 13-inch 2017, now £1,349, saving £100. MacBook Pro 15-inch 2017, now £1,749, saving £50. MacBook Pro 13-inch 2017, now £1,599, saving £300. Cutty's is offering up to £200 off any new MacBook if you trade in your old laptop. Terms and conditions apply, but this offer is available until October 2nd. Argos MacBook deals. MacBook Pro 13-inch 2017, now £1,119, saving £50. MacBook Pro 13-inch 2017, now £1,349, saving £100. MacBook Air, now £798, lowest price. MacBook iMac, now £1,179, saving £70. Apple. Apple has some very good deals for those in education. The U.S. technology firm's student discount offers have seen prices drop across a range of products. The back-to-school/off to university sale is open to students and teachers, with some big savings to be grabbed on iPads, MacBooks, and Apple Music subscriptions. The education pricing is available to current and newly accepted university students, parents buying for university students, and teachers and education staff at all levels. Those wanting to take advantage of the sale need to verify their current student or staff status with Unidays to start shopping at apple.com. Here's the deals. Up to £270 off a qualifying Mac with Apple education pricing. Buy an eligible Mac and get Beats Solo 3 wireless for free, in new Beats Pop Collection colours exclusive to Apple. Usual price £249.95. 20% off Apple Care Protection Plan.